When a customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on, I connected a scan tool to diagnose the issue. The scan tool revealed the code P0456, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, very small leak. This code typically points to a small leak in the EVAP system, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. To investigate, I inspected the EVAP system for any obvious faults, such as damaged hoses or loose connections, but everything appeared intact. Using the scan tool, I attempted to seal the EVAP system to perform further testing, but the EVAP canister vent solenoid did not respond. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the EVAP canister vent solenoid connector. Both were present, confirming that the solenoid was receiving power. Next, I tested the continuity of the EVAP canister vent solenoid itself. The test revealed no continuity, indicating that the solenoid was faulty and unable to function properly. To resolve this issue, I replaced the EVAP canister vent solenoid, cleared the codes, and performed additional tests. However, the codes returned, indicating there was another issue within the EVAP system. To pinpoint the problem, I sealed the EVAP system again and connected a smoke machine to the EVAP system service port. As I induced smoke into the system, I observed smoke escaping around the gas cap. I removed the gas cap and used a gas cap tester to apply pressure to it. The test revealed that the gas cap was not holding pressure, confirming it was faulty and allowing fuel vapors to leak. To fully resolve the issue, I replaced the gas cap along with the previously replaced EVAP canister vent solenoid. After replacing these components, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test. The vehicle operated normally, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This diagnostic process was essential for accurately identifying and fixing the root causes of the issue. Testing the EVAP system with a smoke machine helped pinpoint the exact location of the leak, while verifying the components with a multimeter ensured only faulty parts were replaced. A properly functioning EVAP system is critical for reducing emissions and maintaining the vehicle's environmental compliance.